Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel behind the camera. Now this evening we are here to speak with Miss Yvette Richards rather, about a situation she has called us about. So we'll get into that in a little while, but please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel so once I post a new video you will be updated. Alright, okay. Good evening Miss Yvette.
Good evening.
How are you?
Not too bad.
Okay. All right. So you'd have called us regarding a situation. So go ahead and explain to us why you'd have called us.
Okay, I call you to assist me about my little granddaughter. The Louis Hospital. And she do a surgery where I can't afford to pay the bill. So anybody out there can assist me. I give thanks. And
all right. So let me help you somewhat. All right. So tell us what happened. So your granddaughter is in the UA hospital at the moment. That much we understand. All right. Talk to us about what happened to her.
I bring my granddaughter go Mandeville Hospital. This Saturday after Good Friday. And because she say her belly hurt her. But true she have a sickle cell. I go and explain myself to the doctor, so she a cry for her belly, but not her joints she a cry for, her belly alone.
Okay.
And the doctor send me in pan and ward and then put on drip on her. And them said the drip not help her, so them will give her one injection.
Okay.
But while we did it, in the night, she still feel pain same way. So them send me go do one X-ray. So in the morning, Sunday morning, the doctor called me and said to me, I must go do one more X-ray.
Okay.
She said she don't like that X-ray where she take. I must go do one more. So me do one more X-ray after 6 o'clock. And bring it back, go give her. When I go give her, I tell her, I say, me do the X-ray. She look on the machine. And she said, no, me not like how that one you look neither. Come, me I go send you up at the ward, upstairs. And she sent me upstairs. They had me the little baby about 9 o'clock. And
how old is she?
Blood, 7 years old. When they take the blood now, they say to me, say, all right, the baby, all right. Me leave her, come down this Sunday morning. The Tuesday to a holiday, I go back, go look for her the Tuesday, me and her mother. Go look for her the Tuesday now. Mrs. Her eye yellow. Ask them, say, what do her eye make her eye yellow so? Them say, probably a jaundice or probably a sickle cell.
Okay.
So me turn to them and say, but me no know if she have no jaundice. Me know say she have sickle cell. But anyway though, me and them talk, so tell. The mother come on and I talk to them and something. But everything alright, so them bring her back, go take one another X-ray.
So this is the third one?
Yeah. So them bring her back, go take another X-ray. And them say to me, say, them a go test her if she have dengue. So me must give them $3,000 to test her if she have dengue. So my daughter give them $3,000 to test them, come back, say, she no have no dengue, nothing. So they don't know what cause the fever, and her belly still a pain her. So in the night now, 3 o'clock, Tuesday night, my daughter get a call and say she must come a Yui. Because them all transfer the baby a Yui. Anyway, though.
So where was your daughter at this time?
Here.
So they're calling her to come where? Because the baby is in the Mandeville hospital.
Yes, so they go transfer her to Yui hospital.
Oh, so they wanted her to come into Mandeville.
To Yui. So me and my daughter go Yui.
Oh.
Take the early bus.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
when we take the early bus now, we reach town and take a taxi and go to Yui coming in. When me I go, so me take the taxi and go a Yui. And me where we go Yui, you know, we walk and ask which part I see care. Them said to me, say, you can walk round at the back there, and me while you walk, you go see a tree and then you turn in. And that's how we do and find out which part the baby there.
Yes.
So the doctor and the nurse asked me where the baby near me, say Lishana Mattison. So we go in and we sit down and they will explain themselves and say they want ID and something, and we give them and they sit down with name and something. When we go in, the doctor them come out and said to me, say, what kind of medication them give the baby over there? Me said, doctor, then give the baby drip and give the baby injection. And the doctor them said to me, say, okay, well, but it passed around about 3 days, them call you and say the baby needs surgery. I will go with. And then call me at night, about after 11 o'clock. And so if you come Mandeville or go by police station, I make them carry come Mandeville, come
Sign something.
Sign some paper that to get the surgery done.
Yes.
But anyway, then go back and them say, then do it another way. Then shove down one tube, once in our mouth. So. Now my hold on first, but if anything we must come at town and come sign the paper that she do surgery if anything.
Okay.
But we go and we sign the paper. Then we do the surgery yet. Then it take about 3 days before they do the surgery, and then them call we around 3 days until we say them will do the surgery, and then do the surgery the 12. Yes. And when they do surgery 12, we go and we look for him, and our belly cut in a 2, and we ask them why she have to do this surgery. Them said she have to do this surgery because she having bad fluid in her, so them have to go draw the bad fluid from her. So they say, all right, no do. So I know if we go do that part because me can't do it. So I saw me and the doctor them do their part. So me while me and the doctor them did their talk about the surgery now. Me said to them, said, if not go do the baby, she said no. They have to save the baby. So if they don't do the surgery, me know what they mean by when they say if they don't do this surgery. So me say, all right, Shan, we're going up back.
So that surgery was done already.
Yeah.
Did you have to pay for it?
Yeah, we have to pay for it.
How much did it cost?
It costs the hospital bill 2.5 something.
Wow.
The first bill what they give me before the week done at 200 and something thousand. Me say, Lord Jesus. But we are going to find out the money there. But when they do the surgery now, and I go back up there and ask them for the hospital bill. At 2.4 something.
$2.4 million.
So, me say, Shan, we are going to get money. Me turn to Shan, say, Shan, if I even for work and beg, me have to get the money as long as Lily living and
So,
pay it.
So the
me
2 point, go ahead.
So me I look a help now. To see if me can pay the bill. So if anybody out there can assist me, I will give thanks.
Yes.
So
Okay. So that $2.4 million that the bill came to is for the surgeries that was done already and the surgeries that you're supposed to do?
everything what they do to the baby.
Already?
Yeah, for everything.
So she's supposed to do another surgery now?
No, they don't tell me say she go do one other surgery. They don't tell me that. They only do the cut her belly, the 12, and stitch her up back the other week Saturday. Yeah.
You were saying something about a cut to the neck as well?
So them cut her neck, a tube. Maybe that part where they cut are the tube where we feed her tube or something.
Okay.
But she have a cut on her neck.
So as it is, how is she now? Is she's unconscious?
She unconscious because she not talk. She a listen, you know. She a hear when you go there, go call her and say, Lishana, you alright? She bow her head. Lishana, your belly hurt you? She will bow her head. Yes, because the doctor say we must talk to her because she a listen. You understand? She a hear, but she cannot talk. So Saturday now, my daughter go look for her, and she said, them take off the live machine off of her, and took out the something out her mouth, and she did about she have a heavy cold, so them a try treat it. So maybe around about next week she will be better. And move from in a IC care and go to the ward.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the assistant you're asking for, I see you have this bill here that says University Hospital of the West Indies. So I'm looking for the amount that the total that.
Totally wrong.
Oh.
Yeah.
So the total is $2,457,813.45.
Right.
Oh wow. And you said this is for the surgery that was already done.
Yeah.
But you have to pay this bill. Is there a deadline by which you are asked to pay it?
Well, when me ask the ladies them write up that paper, them said, why? Maybe you can pay some money, but you see the next payment, you have to go pay it like every month, like $10,000 every month. Every month. But one time she say, if me can pay it by the week, me say no, because we don't have any money. And me not working. And the mother just start the one little work, and she have 2 more others people to take care of. And the little baby Lishana in a hospital. She don't have any father way up front her for help, because the father attack say I know for him the child, cause him no have sickle cell. Yeah, so anyway, do me run and me yard and my husband yard and me run and me get a call, me auntie call me and say he spoke to one of the auntie, and the auntie said brother do sickle cell test and his brother don't have any sickle cell. So if we want the child like I say, if we want the child to get support, them have to do DNA. So I said, no, all the baby figure do DNA and the baby in a hospital. Well, all right, me the father and mother and grandmother for him for a long time. Right, so I have to go ahead and beg somebody some help to help my granddaughter, because I say, me now make she suffer and you know.
So in terms of you can hold this up.
This is my little granddaughter. I'm asking anyone out there a help. Here, please. Lishana Mattison.
Where's our
My
mom
name
now?
is Yvette Richards. Our mother gone back to work.
In Kingston?
St. Elizabeth.
Oh, St. Elizabeth.
Yeah,
Okay.
because a friend when me used to go to St. Elizabeth, my daughter call her and tell her, say, me there a Yui, so we don't have anywhere to sleep. So she said she go call her sister and tell her sister and make her sister put we up. But our sister put we up and she there around with we every day. Every day she there around we. She carry go hospital. She carry back go down to hospital. She carry our yard. She feed we. She, everything. She give we bed. Everything.
Yeah.
And I appreciate that.
Okay.
I mean, love that because I know anybody taking stranger like that.
Okay.
And I appreciate her with that.
All right, well said. Let me just ask you, so this money here, the $2.4 million, have you managed to come up with any yet?
No, we don't come up with any yet. We are going, see if me can save. We say if me come up with we don't if I even want 50,000 and start to pay the hospital
so you can take
bill.
it in. Okay. So in terms of the bill, so the operation was done on her, and then you got the bill afterwards. So was it discussed with you that this is what the bill would look like?
When I go there and I ask her how much money she hospital bill. Then said to me, say, 200,000.
Okay.
So I said to them, say, what? That I never did know, say, the hospital where them a bring the baby come, a pay we have to pay. Me think, we not have to pay.
Okay.
She say, we have to pay. So I just, nobody say anything.
Okay. So she said $200,000, but after now this surgery, you get this bill for $2.4 million.
Yes, 2.4 million.
Okay.
After she do the surgery, we get that bill, 2.4 million.
Okay. Oh wow. Miss Yvette, we are very sorry about your situation, and we pray that God will, just give you the strength to go through and that things will work out for the better.
Yeah.
Guys, in the meantime, you heard our story, and if there's any way in which you are able to assist her, please reach out to us at 876-512-4055. Any help we get will be greatly appreciated. All right, so this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.